Sounds of love. I hear your voice and I think it is the sound of love. There's something special in the way you call my name. It's not the same as everyone else ever has. And I'm always paused and serene when your voice reaches my ears. It's not your bass or your vernacular, but just the way you pronounce my name. That's the sound of love for me. It's gentle, yet showing me that you love me, that you want me to be your queen. Your cadence in the way you call my name is the sound of love personified, a testament to us.